get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning! 10 o'clock. A little bit after 10. Yep, Bob and Amy are in front. Going for a ride on this beautiful Friday. We don't know where we're going. It's going to be a short ride, I think.
Yeah, there's nothing short about Pennsylvania.
Well, I don't know what time Bob has to be back home. All good. So stay tuned because we don't know where the heck we're going. This ain't a bad view. We're dropping into the valley. Ho, ho, ho.
Yeah, this is our ranch over here.
Yeah.
JR Ranch.
Yeah. This is Route 536. We just enjoy it. Here's our ranch.
Yep.
Right here.
Says J&R on it.
Yeah, that's our winter home. We're in the summer cottage. We're climbing. We're in the village of Ringgold. Stay tuned for a few more clips coming up. A beautiful view of the skyline, horizon. Oh, by the way, that's Amy and Bob in front of us. I don't know if I said it before. If I did, oh well. I'm losing my mind.
Yeah, run the club.
It's a nice, beautiful day for riding. I got 73 degrees on the bike. It's a perfect day for riding. The sun warms you up, but the temperature keeps you cool, if that makes any sense.
At least it's not a blistering 90-degree day.
Yeah. You can't take too many of them 90-degree days riding. Still a beautiful road. Oh, keep watching. We're going through Puxitawny, the We're the capital of the world. I should have turned it on sooner because they got some neat old buildings. The woodwork is amazing. We're in the town of Big Run. We've been through here before.
Yep.
Several times. And yeah, still the same. We got the big bank. We got a school, a church, big post office. Ooh. Veterans Park. Oh, that's about it. We're done. Look at this view. This is Rockton Mountain.
Like in Brockton.
Rock. R-O-C-K.
Yeah.
Yep. Wow. It's not the highest point in Pennsylvania, but we'll have to find that one. That'd have to be a ride. I don't know where it probably is. Probably not near us. Oh, by the way, Blue has over 20,000 miles on it now.
Another milestone, baby.
What was that?
Another milestone.
Yeah. Well, under 2 years old since we had it.
Wow, look at that.
It's all beautiful in here. Yep, another 2,800 miles and we would have put 20,000 on it. We got until September 3rd. That's when we got Blue. Almost 2 years ago. So we're gonna step up our game.
What?
We're gonna step up our game.
Oh, yeah.
We got 2,800 miles to go. Well, we're here.
Yeah.
Don't know what town we're in yet.
It's going to be Clearfield or Lock Haven, one or the
Yeah.
other.
There's Lock Haven University, Clearfield campus. Well, that's where we are. Okay. So we were in Clearfield.
Destination unknown.
Absolutely. It was a Denny's Beer Barrel Pub. It's the home of the 5-pound burgers, I think it is. I'm going to take a picture of the sign. Okay, this is the challenge. 2-pound pub challenge, 3-pound, 6-pound.
25-pound beefinator. Kevin, there you go.
There you go. All right.
Wow. I couldn't even eat two.
Well, that was an awesome restaurant. Was it Denny's Beer Barrel Pub or something?
Yep.
Oh, the food was so good and yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. An A+.
Absolutely. It's gonna get a good write-up on me.
Yeah. Oh, ready to take a nap now. After that feast. All I got was
The normal burger.
normal, what they call it? Hillbilly burger.
Hillbilly burger. But it was normal looking.
Yeah. Bacon, fried onions. Oh yes.
And half a pound of beef.
Yep, half a pound. Okay, that was the home of the world's biggest hamburger, I guess. I don't know.
25-pound burger. No utensils.
That they have thing. You eat the burger, you get it free. And you have a time limit to do it.
Yeah.
Okay. Enough about the food, because I'm stuffed. On to the next.
Yeah.
Oh, looking at that building. Wow. The work on that building. Ah, this is in Clearfield. Look at that building. Oh my God. Cool. We're on 969 and there's a big lake down there. I don't know if you can see it.
Beach.
The beach. Oh, cool. We're headed towards McHaffey. Beautiful day. Oh, a choo-choo train. Oh, let's go that way. Woo-hoo. Hey. Let's stop and count the cars. Check this out. Whee! We love this part. This is awesome. That's good view. Awesome view. Home sweet home. Nice ride with Bob and Amy, about 169 miles. Beautiful. Okie dokie. Thanks for coming along with us. Don't forget, subscribe, leave a comment.